Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install TikTok Studio app. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, you need to open your TikTok application, and then here at the bottom right corner click on your profile image button. Then you need to make sure you logged in your account, and after that you need to open any of your video. For example, I will open this one. And then at the bottom right corner there is a little button, more data. You need to click on that one button. After that you will see different options, and then in the middle of the screen there is a Get TikTok Studio message. You need to click on the download button, here it is, and then download TikTok Studio again. After that you will see TikTok Studio in your App Store. You need to click on the Get button. And then you need to enter your password or use your Face ID. After that you will see this message. You need to click on the OK button. Then you will see this interface. You can read this information, and after that at the top right corner click on the Agree button. So after that you can click on the later on Wi-Fi or download as you want to. So after downloading you need to click on the Open button, and then all you need to do is to log in your TikTok account, and after that you will able to use your TikTok Studio application. So that's all, and that's how to download and install TikTok Studio application. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.